Now see the question number 2. Aradhana grows potatoes in 2.5 part of her garden, greens in 1/3 part and brinjals in the remaining part. On how much of her plot did she plant brinjals? See students, read the problem again and again. So here, what is given things? First we will write given things. What is the given? Aradhana grows potatoes in 2/5 part of her garden. Means Aradhana has one garden. Let us consider this is one garden. I will make this clear with the help of this figure only. So let's consider this is the garden. Okay. In this garden, so what she has done? She has grows potatoes. So here suppose potatoes were there. Potatoes. 2/5 part of potatoes. Okay. Potatoes are there. And then what happened? Greens also she plant. In which part? 1/3 part. So suppose here 1/3 part. 1/3 part is there. She grows greens. Yes, I did not measure it actually, just for your to make it clear I am drawing this figure. Okay. And brinjals in the remaining part. Remaining part is there. So she has just planted the brinjals here. Okay. In the remaining part. On how much of her plot did she plant brinjals? So they ask how much part that she has just planted brinjals. See students, if you draw the figures according to given information, it will clear to you. Now this is the one garden. This is the one garden. Her garden, full garden means full part means one. She has one garden. So I have written one garden. Then in that garden, she has planted 1/5 part of potatoes and 1/3 part is greens. And remaining part she has planted as the brinjal. So let's write given things. So 1/5 part. Then potatoes. What is that? Potatoes. And 1/3 part is the greens. And then they ask remaining part is the brinjals. So how much part is the brinjals? They ask how much part did she plot a brinjals. Okay. Now what you have to do? What do you think now? Which operation will be there? So if we add these two, okay. If we add these two, question number 2. Now we have to add these two fractions. That is 2/5 part of potatoes and 1/3 part is the greens. So add these two fractions. Now again denominators are not same. So what you have to do? Make the denominators same by cross multiplication, and then 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5 upon 5 into 3. Okay. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 5s are 5 upon 15. That is 6 plus 5 is the 11. 11 upon 15. So what we got this 11 upon 15 part, that she has planted potatoes and greens. She has planted total part, this 11 upon 15 part is the potatoes and greens. Now remaining part she has planted the brinjals. So let's consider there is one part of garden. One full garden is there. Now from that one part, if we subtract this 11 upon 15, then how to write this? 1 minus 11 upon 15. That means 1 means what? 1 means 1 upon 1. If I had told you already 2. When we say 2, that means 2 upon 1. 3 means 3 upon 1. Means when we write any number, that denominator is 1. It is considered as the denominator is 1. So this one I can write this 1 upon 1 also. Same 1 or 1 upon 1 minus 11 upon 15. Now again solve this subtraction. Here denominators are not same. Make it equalize by cross multiplication. 1 into 15 minus 11 into 1 upon 1 into 15. So solve it. 1 15s are 15 minus 11 1s are 11. Again 1 into 15, that means 15 ones are 15. So 15 minus 11 is the 4. So 4 upon 15. So this is all what we got the answer, that Aradhana planted 4 upon 15 part of brinjals. Okay. What you have to do is that first add this, then you will get total part of potatoes and green, that you have to subtract from 1. Why from 1? Because we have considered here there is a one garden. Her garden is there, total garden. So one full garden, that's why we took 1. And from that one, if you subtract 11 upon 15, we get 4 upon 15 is the answer. Okay. So you have to solve this example in your notebook.